What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Swerve Tech channel. I told everybody that I would be making a video about the 3.5 Ecoboost coolant fittings that leak, which are right through here. So you come over to your passenger fender well, and then you would look through here, and then you'll notice it'll be like wet right there around that fitting, and it doesn't look like there's a lot of room to get to it, but there is. But in order to get that out, in order to get that one out, you have to undo the line, and then the line, of course, runs back behind everything to the back of the head, and then on the driver's side there's one as well, but this one is the one that always fails. I made another video about this one, and I used a pick to take the clip out of the fitting to remove the line, and I found a way easier way to do it. Going that route with the clip removal, that probably took me, I don't know, 45 minutes to do the one clip back there, and then once you get over here, then you can use the picks to get this clip out, and then you can use a regular socket on this one and a regular socket back there. What I found to be a million times easier, I did a job in maybe 45 minutes, and that was with adding coolant, getting the system bled, getting everything dialed, and I'll show you that right now. Alright, so we're in my mobile repair truck, but what you're going to want to do is go down to Harbor Freight, or wherever you want to get your tools from, and get these metric. Make sure it goes up to 19. The line wrench makes it a million times better to do this without stripping the fitting out. The fitting is aluminum. So you get your 19, and you're going to want to put the ratchet directly on this. So, and this is what you use for the turbo side. So it's going to be just like, I might have to put my phone down. I'm on the struggle bus today. So what you're going to do is lay on top of the engine, get this about like that. It could even be straight. Let's just say we put it straight. You want to lay on top of the engine, go back over there behind the head by the vacuum pump, and then just go back. You'll feel the line sticking out, and it always helps having the long with the wobbly, the long ratchet with the wobble in, so you can stick it down in there. Use one hand at the bottom down there to like feel. Once you get it up to the line, make sure you have it on lefty loosey. Crack it loose, and then the fitting will move like this, and just go a little bit more, and then you'll want to remove the ratchet, and then this fitting will be, or the fitting will be in here. So then you can use your fingers. Let me see if I can put my phone. Alright, this is just to try to free up my other hand. So say the tip of my thumb is the other fitting and the line coming out. So you cracked it loose, then you want to stick your fingers under there and just like push it around, and you can use your hand on the left side, push it, and then just keep on doing this till you can get that fitting loose. This gives you the extra leverage to do it instead of trying to grab the nut and spin it around. Don't try to undo the clip on this. Just get the whole fitting out with the line. When you get that removed, then you can go to the turbo side. You can go to the turbo side, get this clip, stick it in there, and undo. And just go ahead and open this. Brand new one for Ford. But at the turbo, you can see on here that there's this little clip. And then in one spot, like right here, that's where the clip starts and ends, and then this is the other end. So you'd want to get the clip and just pop this clip out. I'm not going to do it because this is a brand new fitting and I don't want to ruin it. But once you get that clip out, you just grab the line, wiggle it, pop it out. It's going to drain some coolant, unless you drain it prior to doing this. But once you get that loose, this would be like the top of the turbo. You want to use the 19 short 3-inch extension, and it'll slide right down, and you can break it loose, spin it free by hand, pull it out, drop a new one in. Another thing I want to mention when replacing these fittings junk drawer. Is this right here is going to make your life a million times easier. Tune up dielectric grease. Definitely get this. And then you would put some around this O-ring right here, just so you don't crush that. Get it in there, spin around your fingers. You can use a like a Q-tip, not a Q-tip, but like a really clean screwdriver, and kind of get it on that seal real good. And then also wipe the barb fitting that presses into here, and you will definitely be relieved of how much easier this job is.